Whiskey bottles, brand new cars, oak tree are in my way. I wonder where they went. Man, I look around, I don't know where I left these guys. I don't know. Look around. Out here somewhere. Get tired of losing things. Losing people, losing things. No, one time around, I don't see anybody. I don't see what I'm looking for. Look inside. Man, what a mess. What a mess. No, nobody in here either. One other place I can look. There you are. Long time no see. It's the Loco Airstreamer here. Let me get comfortable and tell you a little story. As you know, I've been gone a while. You'll be glad to hear that too, because it's a long story and has a lot to do with how much YouTube sucks nowadays. Okay, good to see you guys, huh? Hope you're happy to see me too. Anyway, lots happened since the last time I was here at the Loco Airstreamer. You know, guys, YouTube is really messed up, and I've been adapting to that on my other channel, Texas Flycaster, fly fishing stuff, whatever. So I didn't put you through that here. You should thank me for that. And you know, in the meantime, all those crazy boomers and bloomers and whatever, and big butts and little butts climbing ladders, they kind of disappeared. But what I figured out is I've been through the wilderness, and the wilderness is I lost my mechanical confidence. I'll be honest with you, I lost it. And I don't know if it's getting older, forgetting stuff, or getting weaker. 65, I'm in 65th year now. Subtract 20 and that's when I got this Airstream. I was a little bit different back then. Did the full Monty on this baby. It's a 1970 single axle Safari. And it's been slow going, people. Bad economy, bad profession. Lots of things converged to give me lots of excuses that I could go on and on for days and days about. But I'm not going to do that because you don't want to hear it. You just want to know about this Airstream, kind of about what this is all about. I'm going to touch on what's happened on YouTube, though. It's become more of a TV type oriented thing where people tune in for longer episodes, a little more up close and personal. I'm probably too close. Let me move back to the lip. Not too up close and personal, but up close and personal. And anyway, it's changed a whole lot. And that's probably what sifted out all those other people. And it's almost about to sift me out of the fly fishing channel, really, because it's YouTube has become so difficult. But anyway, so I've got my confidence back. I don't know how I did it, but my mechanical, juju is kind of coming back to me now. And I feel like I can do what I need to do, lift what I need to lift, and see this through. And I put a deadline on myself too, so you guys are gonna have to ride along with that. I am in my 65th year. I finished my 65th year in October. That means my birthday for 65. It's October. God dang it. But anyway, I'm not gonna snow you over by saying y'all and yous guys and all this stuff. Hey, I just don't use the word y'all. I may be in Texas, I don't care. I like to use different kind of English that appeals to more people. And that's because it's a long story, but I got really called out one time when I was living in California for saying y'all, and I never said it again after that on purpose. I'll take that back. I've never said it again except on purpose. So anyway, got my strength back, got my confidence back. Look at this, man. We got a long ways to go. I've got her all lifted up now so I can crawl around under here, because you know what? My work is the ugly, dirty work. Gas, pretty much good with electric right now. Just got to kind of seal it in. Water, sewer. Brake system. I have hydraulic brakes. I've got a Dexter master cylinder. And I got to make all that work together with my, get this now, here's another problem coming at you. Big one. 2005 Toyota 4Runner. V8, 4.7. Very, very good car. But you know what? Oh man, I got to get comfortable. I'm getting cut in half by this piece of pipe here. Piece of square too. But you know what? The thing is how I love is people pay a lot of attention to their towing vehicles on these discussion boards, and they get off on towing a 5,000-pound Airstream with a I don't know, like a Audi station wagon. That's some stupid stuff I see on the towing. But anyway, this vehicle is rated 7,800 pounds, and it's going through a full Monty of its own. So I'm going to include here the work I do on my Toyota 4Runner, 2005 4Runner, four-wheel drive, limited deluxe with towing package, X-ray ass suspension. So the X-ray ass is going, and it's going soon, and it's going to be very expensive. But guess how many miles I've got on that thing? 300,000 miles. So that's my last gas-powered car. I've decided I'm not going to buy another gas-powered tow vehicle. If I ever get another tow vehicle, it'll be battery-powered. And I don't care if I can only go 50 miles. I'll stop and have a Dr. Pepper, regroup, and keep on keeping on. So anyway, guys, welcome back to the Loco Airstreamer. We got a lot to do. But I can actually see to the end now. And I've given myself that October deadline. And here's one of the interesting things is that I believe what we're going to have is a harmonic convergence. A convergence of the Texas Flycaster YouTube channel and the Loco Airstreamer, when this is where Texas Flycaster's home base is right here inside this Airstream. I'm getting out of North Texas. I'm putting this down right now. Put me down for that. This baby's going somewhere. If it doesn't have brakes, if it doesn't have, I don't care. I'll travel in the middle of the night, but I'm getting out of North Texas this winter. I'm going to be out by winter time, somewhere else for some amount of time, just to keep my sanity. Living in North Texas right now, how bad it is right here, how crowded, how overcrowded. You got to get away. I mean, that's just all there is to it. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Sorry I kept you waiting so long for the next video. But you'll be glad I did, because things are changing here. You know, right here is going to be where you can sit back, you can binge on these videos that are coming out, and you can laugh and you can cry. Because that's probably what you're going to see me do as I go through all these different systems, starting with propane this week. Propane! And I'll just run you through what I've done with that so far. And so the next video coming up is about propane and the propane system. So, golly, we got a long ways to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, Loco Airstreamer, and I will keep you posted. And we will make sure you go ahead and go subscribe to the Texas Flycaster too, because there's crossover that's going to get tighter and tighter and tighter until it all becomes one thing. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it's going to get tighter and closer and closer together. And the experiences are going to overlap quite a bit.